Hi, Fred Burrows, Swift Plumbers. As you can see, it's completely black right here. And the reason being is I've got a blockage. I'm at the main vent stack in this home that my customer is considering purchasing. They've had issue with the drain lines. So what I wanted to do is just show you that we do have a current blockage. I went around a corner a few feet ago and had an issue. I'm going to sit this down for a moment. We're going to get our glove back on. I'm going to attempt in this first video to kind of show you if I get it open or not. And there you go. This is what I told the gentleman down here when I first got here, what we're likely going to find. You see the rags right there? That's our issue. You've got rags in the drain line. Anything thicker than single ply paper is a rag to me. And you can see right there, it's hitting in there. Crumpled up. So that is what, now there's scale in this pipe, don't get me wrong, there's other issues. But part of it is using this correctly. And you can see it's just lined up in these walls. So what I've got to do in this area right now is try to get this flowing, and then we can check out the rest of it. But we'll go have him run some water in there just to temporarily restore flow. I wanted you to see what I was dealing with right here. And that, like I said, if you look there, right around 35 feet from the top of this vent stack. Let me put this down for a minute. It's a soft blockage, so I'm able to roll past it. So any of that stuff's going to catch. Now, you could jet this line, but even if you jet it, it's always going to be important, if you're not going to completely replace this, to only have single ply paper, body waste, soap and water in this drain line. Anything other than that's going to be a problem unless you put it in with PVC to code with the correct pitch, Schedule 40, DWV. You can see some of that chunky stuff here at the bottom on this inspection. Really hard to push through here. You can see some hairline cracking in that pipe. You can see some bugs moving around if you look at it. See there. You can actually see some bugs crawling. So if you jet this, what might happen is once you release that scale, you're probably going to see some cracking in this cast iron pipe. We're at 45 feet right now. This main vent stack's on the rear of the house, but I do not know yet where it exits the home or where the existing clean out is, which is likely on the top of the pipe and buried underground. We see a branch there. More paper. See all these bugs. A lot of debris laying in this pipe now. Jetting would have to be done before you'd know how much of this is broke or how thick cracks may be. Anything like that can't be determined with this camera until you get it clean. Right there, you're going to see the top at 51 feet. This is going to be the existing clean out. That will be a brass cap. You don't even try to get into that from there. So I'm going to end this video right now because this video is of the domestic drain line before the clean out. At about 51 feet from the very top of this vent stack is the clean out. So I'm assuming it's going to be located in the front of the house. They have asked me to locate that, so I'm going to. I'm going to end this video, call it domestic drain line, cast iron, lots of scale, possible cracking. That's my video report on the first part. Then I'm going to check out the exterior drain line between the clean out and the sewer. That'll be the next video. Third one, I will locate the clean out.